Hi and welcome to this very short video, quick video on BGP's split horizon rule. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to comment or have any questions, then please ask or comment away. If you want to share the video, then please do. And it'd be great if you'd like to subscribe for more fantastic content coming your way. Let's get on with the video. Hi and welcome to this video on the BGP split horizon rule, not to be confused with an IGP split horizon, which basically states information received on an interface can't be sent out of the same interface. So split horizon in BGP simply means that we can only advertise to directly connected neighbours, hence we have to have a full mesh system. As I'm about to show you, router 1, router 2, router 3, router 4. If we have this connection here, any routes learnt from here on router 1 will be only sent to router 2 and router 4. Router 2 cannot forward those routes on to router 3. The reason for that is because if router 3 sees its own AS within the AS path of that BGP packet, it will drop the packet. So the full mesh means we have to have a connection from there to there, from router 1 to router 3, so that we have directly connected neighbours. There is a way around that where we can use route reflectors, but that will be in a future lesson. Thank you for watching this video on the split horizon rule and why it's important in BGP to know about this. Please subscribe for future great videos. Until then, bye-bye.